Excel. Okay, here you see it is already taken. So all these column are like that. The first column is about first data deducted from all the other data. Second column is the second data deducted from all the other data. Then third data, then fourth data, then fifth data till your 11th data. And I have said 12 data has no one to compare because already all the data have been compared with it. So 12, there is no 12 data. Other than that, up to 11, we have done this same thing. Okay. So next what we have done, we have counted how many number of classes I am getting. You see, for the first column, I am getting 11 classes. For the second column, I am getting 8, then 6, then 3, then no classes, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And in case of minuses, number of minuses, for first column 0, second column 1, third column 2, then 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these are all of my number of pluses and minuses. Then in the here you see I have counted all the pluses, 11 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3. That means it comes to 19 plus 6, 25 plus 3, 28. So here I have written the 28. Number of minuses, 35. Same manner. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, then plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 35. Then I have found out the value of S. Okay. So what is the value of S? The value of S is that I have already discussed. The value of S. This is the value of S. How to calculate? Number of pluses minus number of minuses. No, not take the absolute value. If it is negative, negative. In our case, S is negative. So we have used negative. Okay. If S is positive, we would have used positive. So in our case, S is minus 7. So as I have only 12 number of data points, so as I've already discussed, if there are less than 30, if in your data set number of data is less than 30, as is our case, you will use tau. You will calculate tau. So I have calculated tau. What is the formula of tau? This is the formula of tau, 2s divided by n into n minus 1. N is total number of data points, so I have given 12, right? So in this way, I have calculated tau. S is, you see, S is minus 7. So 2s, 2 into minus 7 divided by 12 into 12 minus 1. That means 12 into 11. So it has come into a negative value. Certainly it will come to a negative value because S is minus. So what is the negative value? Minus 0.11. So accordingly what happened is, we have a tau, negative tau. Now we have found out the critical tau for a level of significance 5%, and then there in that table straight away they give the tau, the critical tau with respect to its level of significance as per the number of data points you have. So the critical tau was less than our tau, so as a result there is a trend, it was deducted. If your data points was more than 12, then I would have called I have used Z value. I would have calculated our Z value. So if Z is if S is positive, which is not our case, our S is negative, there is a formula for that. This is it. If S is positive, then S minus 1 divided by variance S. If not negative, S plus 1 divided by square root of variance S. If 0, Z is 0. Variance S formula is this. So all this formula was encoded here. You see, if the S is positive, the value of z will be minus 0.55. If the s is negative, the value of z will be minus 0.41.